Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Madam Fazlina binti Yunus and my partner is Madam Noraini binti Abdul Rashid. We are from Polytechnic Tun Said Nasir, Said Ismail. Today we will learn about basic skill in electronics. How to measure a resistance of resistor using analog multimeter. But what is resistor? A resistor is an electronic component that limits the current flow. Its value is expressed in ohms. There are two types of resistor. First is a fixed resistor and the second one is variable resistor. In this video, we are focusing more on fixed type resistor, which is have 4-band color code. More information about resistor is explained in topic 3 of Workshop for Electrical and Electronic Engineering Technology course, FS 20104. So, for this video, our learning outcomes are: first, learning how to read 4-band color code resistor. And second, measure resistance using analog multimeter. Here is the standard color code chart for the resistor. Each color represents a digit and multiplier, and some represent tolerance. Let's look at the 4-band resistor. The first 2 bands are digits, the third is the multiplier, and the fourth is tolerance. For example, first band is gray, the value is 8. The second band is red, the value is 2. The third band is brown, the value 1 means multiplied by 10. And the fourth band is gold, means the value of tolerance plus minus 5%. That gives us 82 times 10 is equal to 820 ohms with 5% tolerance. Let's recap. First 2 bands are digits, next is multiplier, and the last is tolerance. Use this simple mnemonic. B.B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife wearing gold and silver necklace. What means? B for black, B for brown, R for red, O for orange, Y for yellow, G for green, B for blue, V for violet, G for grey, W for white, G for gold, S for silver. Now, it's your turn. What is the value of this resistor? Yes, that is correct. The first one is 10 kilo ohm. Second is 100 kilo ohm. And now, let's learn how to measure a resistance using a multimeter. Multimeter is a tool that can measure resistance, voltage, and current. Today, we will focus on measuring resistance. First, make sure the multimeter is turned on and set to the ohm range such as times 1, times 10, times 100, times 1000. Next, we must calibrate it, touch both probes together, and turn the zero adjust knob until the needle points to 0. Now, let's measure the resistor. Make sure your fingers don't touch both leads at the same time, as they may affect the reading. For example, if you are using 100 range and the needle points to 28 and the resistance value is 28 times 100 is equal to 2800 ohms. Multimeters are not just for measurement. They help in troubleshooting, identifying faulty resistor, and maintaining circuits. Remember these 3 steps. First, calibrate. Second, hold the probes correctly. And third, calculate using the selected range. Let's try it together. Here is a quick exercise. Is the needle point to 10 on the times 10 setting. What is the resistor value? Yes, it's 1000 ohms. That's all for today. Remember, practice makes perfect.